Hello guys and welcome back. In this video let's talk about Webull, ticker symbol BULL. I'm sure you guys even heard of it, or you guys are even trading on this brokerage, but this is a direct competitor to Robinhood. We have the chart, which looks absolutely amazing, and in fact it really reminds me a lot like Robinhood. Okay, the Robinhood chart back in 2022, we were talking about Robinhood, and even our previous setups, like Palantir and Roblox. And this is going to be a great A plus setup that I want to get into this video. So let's get started here. The first thing that I want to take a look at is the market cap. The market cap of Webull is $5 billion, and the market cap of Robinhood is 129 billion. So Webull is very, very small, roughly around 4 to 5% of the market cap of Robinhood. It reminds me a lot like our thesis on Nvidia, where back in the day, AMD was like 6% of the market cap of Nvidia, and now, even right now, since then, AMD has doubled. So a similar type of play where we're sort of playing the underdog and we're asking the question, what can we expect 100% return on, or even like a 10x Robinhood or Webull in a couple years. So the market cap is small, and it's just going to be a better risk to reward in my opinion. Unless if you bought Robinhood at $9, $10 when we were recommending it, when we were buying it, then it's going to be a great buy. But right now, Webull is going to be a really, really nice level. So we have this chart here, which looks absolutely amazing. Before we take a look at the chart, let's take a look at the earnings here. So even the earnings are very much like Robinhood back in 2022, 2021. So Robinhood was losing money in 2021, 2022, and now it's very, very profitable. So a similar situation going on with Webull. The way that I see it is it's a solid company. Um, Being able to buy and sell stocks, acting as sort of like a casino, or like selling the shovels instead of mining the gold. So I do really like the business aspect of Webull also. So the next thing that I want to take a look at is the chart. The chart looks absolutely amazing, and this is the main reason why I'm here. We had our IPO back a couple months ago in April, and the stock price was at $80. So again, similar to Roblox, similar to Robinhood, way too overvalued, and then the stock just crashed 85%. So this is a time when we want to be buying when the company is cheap and it is a good company. Let's take a look at our risk to reward. We're talking about 38% gains conservatively, but even in 2-3 years, we can see a play like Roblox, a play like Robinhood, Palantir, where we're talking about 500% gains, but the stock is just so cheap. We're sitting at $11. The perfect entry is going to be the $10 level. RSI, a indicator that tells us when a stock is overbought or oversold, is very oversold right now. But the perfect entry is going to be at $10.31. So I would be very patient with this. This is going to be a couple year long play. Okay, you're not going to be expecting 5,500% in a couple months or even a year. We can expect consolidation, like we did with all those other plays, for even 2-3 years. So this is going to be a long-term play, very similar play to Grab also. It is going to be a very, very long-term play. So make sure you have the patience for that. So we have the chart here. This is going to be the ideal entry. Okay, $10. So again, be very patient. If you don't want to buy at $12, $11, it's fine. We can wait at $10 here. But we're talking about huge upsides in the next couple years, and this is definitely a long-term hold for me. Now let's take a look at Roblox. Again, this setup is very, very familiar, and that is why I am liking it. Similar with PayPal also, but the thing is, PayPal's market cap is 67 billion. So we can probably expect 100% in a year. on a 67 billion market cap, but with Webull, the market cap is only $5 billion. So, remembering when Roblox and Palantir were trading at those very, very small market caps. So even if we take a look at our chart here, we had ARK, we had Alibaba, we have Snow, but the big moves were on these smaller market caps play because it's easier to move, $5 billion on a $5 billion market cap instead of $60 billion on a $60 billion market cap, which is something like PayPal right now. So that is an amazing thing. The market cap, the chart, everything looks really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Again, very similar play. Even something like SoFi, we have seen this so many times. So I'm going to be buying shares, potentially Leaps. Again, our previous videos on Roblox, previous newsletters on Palantir, all of that as our receipts. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think tomorrow. We do have PayPal earnings tomorrow. I'm going to be expecting a 8 to 20% move tomorrow for PayPal. So tune into the earnings call tomorrow pre-market, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.